Let's take lesson number 18, and that is about Hollywood sci-fi movies. So, dear students, by the word sci-fi means the movies that are based on science fiction. We call them sci-fi movies. So, science fiction movies or sci-fi movies first appeared in 1920s. So we will read about these things in this lesson, that we will learn about some Hollywood sci-fi movies. Watching movies gives us pleasure. And what type of movies do you like to watch? The sci-fi movies of Hollywood are very famous. Let's see how many of the movies given below you have watched. I think you must have watched many of them. So today we are going to talk about the sci-fi movies of the Hollywood. Though nowadays we have started making such movies in Bollywood also, but these movies are famous mostly in Hollywood. And first movie, as I told you, that science fiction movies or sci-fi movies, they first appeared in 1920s, and they usually depict scientific stories with fantastic special effects. Means they have such great awesome scientific effects. You must have heard this word effects. Nowadays we, when we get photos clicked, we have effects in our mobile phones also. So we have these special effects in these movies which make them interesting, and people are curious to see them, that how these things are being done in the movie, how this is happening, something magical, something very interesting to watch. So, a gallant hero, shadowy villains, futuristic technology, and gizmos are an important part of sci-fi movies. So many latest gadgets are used in these movies, and as we told that they are fiction, they are not true, they are fiction. So they have some great futuristic technologies that it may be this technology will be coming in near future. So they appear to be magical. They appear as if they are doing some miracles. So we are excited to see how this thing is happening in this. They are doing it with the help of special effects, and this makes these movies interesting and a delight to watch, because we love to see such things. We love to see magic, how these things are happening, and we love to try new things. We love to enjoy these movies we have when we get to see the futuristic things, new magical things happening nearby. Though we know that they are not true, they are fiction, but still we enjoy those movies. So often portray dangerous and sinister nature of knowledge. Means in these movies, what we observe, you must have seen Krish. In that movie, some virus was made by a scientist. So he was a villain, but he was highly skilled, so he was using his powers in a negative manner. But the hero, he used his powers in a positive way, because he was a hero, he has to portray the positive role. So he was using his powers in a positive role, and he made an antidote for that virus created by the villain. So these things happen in the science fiction movies, that one villain is there who is equally intelligent as the hero, but he is using the powers in a negative way, and the hero, he portrays a positive role and he uses the powers in a positive way. So now that we have started, let us learn about some movies, and we will get to know how many movies you have seen. Star Wars The Last Jedi, it will be D. First one. So let us see the picture first. First picture goes to D part. You must have seen this movie. People were crazy about this movie. First one goes to D part, that is Avengers Endgame. Second go to F part, that is Blade Runner 2049. Third one goes to C, The Martian. And fourth one goes to B, Rogue One, a Star Wars story. Then fifth one goes to part E, Blade Runner 2049. Then comes to sixth, that A part, Star Wars The Last Jedi. Then seventh goes to G part, Gravity. Eighth goes to H part, Inception. Let me recapitulate once again. 1 with D, Avengers Endgame. 2 with F, Blade Runner 2049. Then third with C, The Martian. Fourth with B, Rogue One, A Star Wars Story. Fourth with B done. Then 5 with E, Avatar. Then 6 with A, and 7 with G, and 8 with H, Inception. So these are some Hollywood sci-fi movies which we all have enjoyed. And other than these movies, one most famous movie that we all have enjoyed is that Harry Potter series. It is also based on special effects. We can see so many different types of effects that have been used in that movie. They show that magical powers with Harry Potter. So we also enjoy such movies.